dumpster rental service in Bushnell, Florida. When planning a home renovation, construction project, or large cleanup in Bushnell, Florida, efficient waste disposal is essential. All Things Dumpster Rental provides reliable dumpster rental services tailored to meet the needs of homeowners, contractors, and business owners. With a variety of dumpster sizes available, including 11, 15, and 22-yard options, customers can find the perfect fit for any project, whether it's a minor decluttering task or a major construction site cleanup. Timely service is a priority, with same-day and next-day delivery options ensuring that customers receive their dumpsters when they need them. Transparent pricing eliminates hidden fees, offering affordable rates that fit within any budget. As a company committed to environmental responsibility, we ensure proper waste management and recycling, helping to minimize the impact on local landfills. Whether disposing of household debris, roofing materials, landscaping waste, or commercial refuse, we provide an efficient and hassle-free solution. As a locally owned and operated business, we take pride in serving the Bushnell community with exceptional customer service. Our knowledgeable team is always available to assist with selecting the right dumpster size and answering any questions. To schedule a dumpster rental or learn more about available services, call All Things Dumpster Rental at 35280 48783.